Once again, the market is trading around important resistance levels and there are still no signs of weakness. Of course, according to some metrics, the indices are overbought. But although this could bring some mid-term correction, the bullish sentiment is still very strong. And among our stocks over here, Tesla and Nvidia are the most interesting ones, and I will explain why in this video. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional retail trader. Let's study this market together. Let's see what's going on here, because SPY has been doing an insane rally for precisely 1 month right now. This rally, which started on October 27 over here, after we nailed this bottom level at 409, we made this above the stomach candlestick pattern, suggesting a possible rally, and since then we have yet to correct. We have yet to trigger a pullback. We don't see higher highs, higher lows. We don't see a bull trend on SPY. We see nothing but a rally for 1 month. I think it is the most intense rally that I ever saw on SPY in the past few years. Of course, feel free to correct me, but I think that it is very rare to see SPY going up going up more than 8% in 1 month. Statistically speaking, November is a very green month. It goes up 69% of the time, but it goes up roughly 1.5% on average. So since 1950, of course, but seeing SPY going up 8.60% this month is very insane. It is a very intense rally. So if you ask my humble opinion, a pullback would be very good right now, because it would just give another opportunity to buy at a cheaper price level near support levels. Right now we are near resistance levels. Is this, if you ask me, Nathan, is this a good time to buy SPY right now, to buy QQQ right now, to buy stocks overall speaking right now? In my humble opinion, it is not, because we are trading around very important resistance levels. SPY has just closed this gap over here from August this year, finally closed this gap. We were aiming at this gap since when it was down here, right? I have been describing how gaps work as magnets for the price, and recently we closed this gap over here. QQQ is trading around a very important resistance level after making a new yearly high last week. So as a professional trader, as a retail trader like everybody else over here, I'm gonna share my humble opinion. I always like to buy near support levels, not near resistance levels. Oh, but Nathan, it could go up even more. Well, I don't care, because all that I care is about risk reward ratio. And this is why Tesla and Nvidia are the most interesting stocks right now at this moment, because look at this chart, look at QQQ trading around resistance levels, look at SPY trading around resistance levels. It just closed this gap over here. Apple has been doing another insane rally over here for 1 month right now. We closed this gap, and apparently it is showing some weakness over here. Microsoft, another intense rally. We are making a new all-time high. We don't see any kind of pullback. We don't see any kind of correction. Google, another very intense rally. We just closed this monster earnings gap over here finally. After we closed this gap after rallying, after we reached this support level, after we closed the previous earnings gap over here. So remember, gaps work as magnets for the price. We closed this gap over here. Now we closed the previous gap over here. Apparently, Google is showing some weakness again, I'm so sorry, as well, just like Apple, but it is not that much. In my humble opinion, we could drop a little bit more. Amazon, again, Amazon did another intense rally over here. We reached the previous support level, the previous resistance level over here from August 2022. We hit this key point over here 1, 2, 3 times. Right now we finally broke it. We are making a new yearly high as well. We don't see any top signal yet, but if we do see, let's not be surprised, because we just broke a resistance level today. Even Berkshire Hathaway has been doing a very intense rally over here. If we see pullback to the 21 EMA, that's okay. That's perfectly normal. I'm not gonna be surprised at all by such movement. Now, see, all of these stocks are very far away from their support levels, are near resistance levels, in fact. So these stocks, along with the indices, are not clearly in a nice buy zone according to my trading style, but Tesla and Nvidia are. Tesla, if we look at Tesla over here, we just reached the support level. We hit the 21 EMA, the 21 exponential moving average on the daily chart over here last week. I'm so sorry, last week, November 17, 2 weeks ago. So we reached this support level, the 21 EMA. We almost closed this gap over here, and then we did a very nice reaction above this support level. We are still close to this support level. We are not near resistance levels. We are not near $246. We are near the 21 EMA. In fact, if we break the $246, Tesla is gonna just resume the bull trend, because it is a mid-term bull trend. Tesla is making higher highs, higher lows. We don't see lower highs, lower lows yet. Oh, but Nathan, we could lose the $226 over here, making a bearish pivot point, a lower high, lower low, triggering a bearish reversal. Yes, we could, but we are not triggering this bearish scenario yet. Remember, real trading is reactive. It is not predictive. I don't know what's going to happen in the future. I don't need to know in order to trade well. Which, by the way, reminds me, if you do want to trade with me, join our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen. There you will find buy and sell signals on Tesla, SPY, Nvidia, QQQ, and many other stocks. So far, we are doing very, very well. So join the family, join the Finance Hydra Telegram channel. Now, we are trading around a support level. Yes, we are. Do we see a very meaningful, incredible bottom signal? Not yet. But if Tesla does one, I do believe that the bullish sentiment will resume and that Tesla could easily seek the next resistance level, $268 over here, the previous top level from October 2023. This is where I see Tesla heading next if we actually trigger another bullish pivot point, if we actually break the $246. Again, it is a mid-term bull trend. Tesla is still, why? Because Tesla is making higher highs, higher lows. Some people accuse me of being bullish, right? Nathan, you are always bullish on Tesla, dude. Why don't you describe a bearish scenario? I always describe a bearish scenario. In order for Tesla to turn bearish, we gotta lose $226. This is it. I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish, I'm absolutely nothing. I'm just a retail trader, but Tesla is. Right now, mid-term speaking, Tesla is bullish, and it will remain bullish as long as it keeps doing higher highs, higher lows, period. As a retail trader, I just react. I don't predict. I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish, I'm absolutely nothing. I'm just a reactive kind of trader. Now, Nvidia is also trading around a very nice support level. I mean, we almost reached this red line over here, $476.09. Today we hit $476.52. We are almost there. This red line over here, which was a previous top level on October this year. So Nvidia is incredibly bullish, incredibly bullish. We don't see any meaningful bearish reversal structure yet, unlike Tesla, which could possibly trigger a bearish pivot point if we lose the $226 without breaking the $246 over here. If we trigger a lower high, lower low, then okay, Tesla is going to reverse the mid-term bullish sentiment. But Nvidia, we don't see that on Nvidia. We see that Nvidia has been doing an insane rally since October. October 31 over here, we kind of see a higher high, higher low over here, but it is very brief. It is a very short movement. I don't consider this movement over here, but still, by triggering this pullback over here, Nvidia has yet to make a crystal clear lower high, lower low, right? We don't see any possible bearish reversal structure on Nvidia, so the situation is still clearly under control. Any bottom signal around a support level would be nothing but another buying opportunity. Of course, the indices must help us over here, because if the indices correct, if they trigger their pullbacks, okay, Tesla and Nvidia are not going to escape from a possible correction, from a correction to lower levels, but still, it would be very difficult to materialize a crystal clear bearish reversal, especially on Nvidia. So Tesla and Nvidia are my favorite stocks right now because their risk-reward ratio makes more sense at the moment. They are near support levels, not resistance levels. This is it. This is all that I need. No, I also need your subscription. If you're still not a subscriber, consider subscribing, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated about this weird stock market. And click the like button if you liked this video as well. I highly appreciate your support, your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye-bye.